Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 GG Mazda 6 Sedan Classic, stock reference number 4600. This shape runs from the 7th month 2005 through to the 2nd month 2008. There's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, radiator grille, chrome classic type. Front bar appears to have no damage. Left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle's fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has an average tyre. Left power door mirror. Bonnet has no damage apart from a tiny bit of clear peeling. Left front door, 2 small dents. Left rear door, 1 small dent. Left rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, left tailgate, boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage, high wing type. Right boot lid garnish, right tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. Manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.